Feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Honey, the engine light is on in the Mustang again. Can you check it, please?
Well, you heard my boss, so welcome to today's DIY. And she's right, the check engine light is on, and my code reader says P144c. So if you want to learn how to use the code reader, check out all my upcoming videos. And if you want to see what that code means, just go to Google and punch in P144c. And it says it may be the evap purge valve that may be stuck. So I go to the nearest Ford dealer and time to order a new one. So here's what the part looks like. And here's the part number. Okay, we're going to take off the engine cover. We got 4 spots to take it out. We got one here. This is 8mm. This is a 10mm. 10mm is that one. And this we got one here. Right here, inside here. That's also an 8mm. So 8mm, 8mm, 10mm, 10mm. Okay, we'll be removing 2 nuts and 2 bolts. Just using a magnet. Use a magnet for this. All right then, let's take a closer look. So this is the part we're looking for right here. So there's a few things we're going to do. We're going to push out that red tab right here. Then we push this little black button right here. Then press this part of the sensor to pull out. And then pull out the green tab right here. Then unscrew the nut right here to pull out the part. Boom, there goes the red tab. Looks like my thumb's a little too fat to press that button. I'll show you what happens when you press that black button. It loosens the 2 locks inside. So I carefully use the needle nose pliers to push it in gently, and at the same time pull up on the part. Boom, there you go. Okay, let's move up to the next part. And using the needle nose pliers once again, gently push the back part while pushing the sensor outwards. Just a reminder, these are plastic parts, so Be careful when you use your needle nose pliers. So the next part is loosening this green clip, which was a little bit tricky. I'll go around the other side to show you. Notice this green clip is like a C-clamp. It's got one at the top, one at the bottom. So the trick is, guys, is to push those clips about 2 to 3 millimeters to the left. You'll be able to push it away from its lock position. Thank goodness I have patience. Now gently take your flathead screwdriver and just push it out. Boom, there it is. Now just slowly wiggle it out. Now let's take a little closer look at that green lock. See what I mean by pushing it to the left? You take it out of its lock position. Now we'll take our 10mm socket and undo the bolt. Now let's replace the part and hand start the bolt to hold it in place. Everything back in reverse order. Make sure you hear the clicks when it locks. Make sure it's locked in place. Okay, we're not done yet. Now time to reset the code reader. So same thing, press TC, PTC, same thing, do the same. Okay, so now we fixed it. Press the button. You sure? Yes, press it again. Raise. Check engine light is gone, but it looks like I have a flat or low air in my car again. Okay, driver's side 23, and okay, gotta check that out. There we go. But that engine light is gone. Yes, that's right. The important thing, the engine light is gone. Another successful DIY. So if you guys find this video helpful, really appreciate to give me a thumbs up, comment, or even subscribe. And also check out the playlist on this Mustang. Cool do-it-yourself projects. Thanks for watching.